to bloom like spring in the sun. Two hearts entwined, thought we'd never come undone. But seasons changed and you drifted away. Now I'm left with leaves that crumble and fray. Every glance we shared is a ghost in the air. Every dream we built is no longer there. We're fading like the fall, colors turning gray. A love that slipped through fingers, now it's blown away. I'm holding on to moments that no longer call, lost in the quiet where we used to be all. Your voice is a whisper in the autumn breeze, soft and fleeting, it brings me to my knees. The paths we walked are overgrown and still, but my heart keeps climbing that unreachable hill. Every laugh we shared is a weight I bear. Every step apart feels like a prayer. We're fading like the fall, colors turning gray. A love that slipped through fingers, now it's blown away. I'm holding on to moments that no longer call, lost in the quiet where we used to be all. We grew apart like branches reaching for the sky. No one to blame, just a slow goodbye. I'm left with the echoes of a love so tall, falling like the leaves in the chill of the fall. We're fading like the fall, colors turning gray. A love that slipped through fingers, now it's blown away. I'm holding on to moments that no longer call, lost in the quiet where we used to be all. So I'll sit beneath this barren tree alone, carving your name in the roots of stone.